Hello everyone, welcome to Elliottwave-forecast.com YouTube channel. So today is March the 5th and I am looking at the long-term outlook here for platinum. Okay, so this is one of those other precious metals, right? Gold has been doing very well, silver is doing very well, and platinum also is doing very well. This is the long-term chart monthly time frame. Now we don't cover this specific instrument, but from time to time we're doing some sort of extra sort of coverage on other instrument, and in this case is platinum. We can see we broke to a new all-time high not too long ago, back last year, right? At the end of last year or early this year, we made all-time high, and this is the previous all-time high back in 2008. And as far as I can get the data, I can get it back from 1986. So this is all I can get in terms of data. So we can consider this rally from 1992 to 2008 to end with 1, right? So this is the super cycle, grand super cycle degree here. And then you can see a clear 3 waves only correction ended here at 563 back in 2020, and then we have started a new bullish leg and already broke to new all-time high. Now you can clearly see that this structure here definitely is incomplete, right? Now there are, yes, you can argue there are a couple of possible options, but I think even this 1 and 2 in the the primary degree here, I don't think it's done yet. So I mean the best I can give you is a 3 and 4 here. But I don't even think 3 in blue here, cycle degree, is ending yet, because if you look at the structure, it doesn't look complete. So I think we can get a few more highs this year. Now I know there was a pretty substantial pullback, but it's to be expected when you got this type of rally. It's very normal to have that kind of correction. It doesn't change in any way or form the bullish nature of the breakout, and also the structure clearly looks incomplete here as an impulse. I use the logarithmic chart, which is usually a better chart, a better use when you are dealing with the long-term chart, like the monthly time frame. It's better to use the logarithmic chart. And if you do the extension analysis in logarithmic chart, then we have already reached the 100% extension. Okay, let me see. Yeah, we have already reached the 100% extension, but since we could potentially be in the wave 3, right? We could be in the wave 3 here, and then also structure is incomplete from here. Then I think we can easily extend higher, even to the 1.618 at least, which is the 3778. Okay, so I think we can get something like this approximately. Now, I'm assuming wave 4 is finished. Alternate scenario, doing a double in the wave 4 before going up again, I think it's also possible, but for now I will go with the most aggressive view in the direction of the trend. I'm calling for completed. Okay, so then you will finish 5 here. You will finish 5, right? And then that 5 is going to be ending only 3 in the cycle degree, and then you get a 4, and then you get a 5, right? So that will be the path that can take place in platinum, and that will be only ending with 3, and then you will have a pretty a decent risk pullback again in the wave 4, right? Something like this, and then higher again. So as you can see, and since this is a monthly time frame, we can expect all this thing to take place in the foreseeable future. I'm talking about the months and even years down the road. All this thing can take place. Now wave 4, for example, can be doing a sideways triangle for many months. So this whole thing can easily last 3 to 5 years, for example. The one that I'm showing here on the path here. So I think basically the right side of the market still remains pretty much bullish for platinum. If I go down to the lower time frame, to the daily, focusing on this rally here, So we start from with 2 here, which is technically right here. This is the with 2 here. So you can see 3, 4, 5, and then blue 3 and 4, which is not even shown here. So that blue 3 and 4 over there, right? So let me try to find. It's too short term to show it here, but it's something like this basically, right? It's something like this, 5 here, and then the 1 and 2 is somewhere here. Okay, so so yeah, we are only ending most likely only with 3 from 2022, with more upside to come. For now, I'm calling with 4 completed. The alternate here, yes, we can do double A, B, C, and if it does a double, then we could see support again at the next 100% extension level here. This is the next support zone, right? And then from there we can go higher again. So it could be just move for here in case it does a double and break below 18, 11. But I think the right side clearly is bullish. But for now, I will call the most aggressive view in the direction of the trend, which is bullish, right? So we can assume we complete this correction for the time being, right? With the alternate, like I mentioned before, is a double. Okay, so this is what we can count for now. Now, I think this will basically get confirmed, this view. If we break above wave 3, then we know that the correction is finished, and then we go higher again. Now, I think if it does that, probably the other metals is also done, and I'm talking about gold specifically, and the correction in gold therefore is also done and is going to break to new high as well. Alright guys, so that's the idea for platinum. Hope you enjoy it, and as always, we don't cover this, but we do cover gold, silver, and miners as well. If you do want to get more regular updates, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days trial. The link is in the description of the video. So see you all again next time, and have a nice day everyone.